Okay, so this video is me doing a comparison before and after getting a baffle put on the MT09. The current exhaust is a Malaysian brand Maverick GP1 exhaust. Super fucking loud. And basically, the reasons for getting the baffle put in are riding around the neighborhoods, it's not practical. Definitely going to get some police attention. Hearing loss is becoming apparent. And I'm pretty sure I'm hearing women and children crying. So let's get the microphone out and hear how it sounds at idle. Now we are back in the same spot, but this time with a baffle in. So as you can hear there, it's a lot more muted, not quite as throaty, just doesn't have that kind of punch factor. And now that's acceptable, but it did impact the quality of the ride, and it almost felt like it changed a bit of the power, if I wasn't mistaken. So let's take a little look at the recap and get a side-by-side comparison. So a quick little update. I've noticed since riding it now after a week or two, the torque isn't there. I've gone online and there's suspicion that it's a psychological effect of it not being loud. I really disagree. So the front doesn't seem to be popping up like it did before, and it's just lacking a bit of that punch. So I'm going to get it dynoed and let's see where it's at. If you'd like to see that video, drop me a comment and I'll make it happen.